Hello, my good learners. How are you today? I hope you're great there. I'm also great here. I'm back, Mwalimu John. Today, I want to give you explanation as to why we need to learn mathematics. In every learning area, there will always be definition of that learning area. You'll be given the components of that learning area where applicable. Then you'll be taught the importance of studying that learning area. And one of them, actually in all the learning areas, there will be one importance that will not miss in the list. That is leading to career opportunity. For example, today, I want to challenge my fellow teachers that in every concept you teach, in whichever learning area, you need to tell that learner the reason as to why he needs to get that concept. For example, how can you connect the concept you are teaching the learner with a real life situation? How is that concept relevant in our day-to-day life? I want us to use this time to explain how the concept of LCM. I'll be having these sessions in between other lessons there, the lessons that I've been teaching. I will always be explaining different concepts, how they are applied in the real life situation. So, for example, today, how is the concept of LCM, least common multiple, relevant to day-to-day life? So, my dear learners, check how this concept is very much important. So, for example, we can think of one of these careers. Let's start with the engineering, the civil engineering, and we shall go straight to building and construction. We have this person who builds houses with stone called a mason. In masonry, we use different materials to build a house. We use different materials. For example, we use stones or bricks. We use ballast. We also use cement and other materials like nails, metals, iron sheets, and the rest. Of all these materials, we want to pick stones. We need stones to build the foundation and the wall. So let's see, how can a mason apply this concept to get the correct measurement of the house that he or she needs to build? For example, if you go to the site to buy stones for building, there are different sizes. We have 4 feet or 4 foot stone. We have 6 foot stone. We also have 9 foot stone. So look at this. Imagine you want to build somebody's house, but at the back of your mind, you know the sizes of the stones are not the same. We have, for example, those three. Now, if you are a mason, what should you do? You need to use these sizes available in the market to do the measurements. For example, I know very well that there will be stone for measuring 4 feet. There will be a stone measuring 6 feet and also 9 feet. So what you need to do, we get the LCM of these sizes and let's use our normal concepts. We have 4 foot stone, 6 foot stone, then 9 foot stone. We get their LCM. Look at this. As usual, how do we get the LCM? We get the LCM. We can have the first prime number or the factor, prime factor. It goes here twice, here thrice, here it doesn't go. Just write the same number. Then we have another 2 here. here once, it doesn't go there, you repeat the number, doesn't go there, repeat that number. We can have now the next prime factor is 3. Here it doesn't go, here once, here thrice. Then you can have the other 3 here once. So the LCM will be these 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 you get 12. 12 times 3 you'll get 36. And this 36 is the 36 feet, because these stones we have 4-foot stone, 6-foot stone, then we have 9-foot stone. So the LCM you are getting will be in feet. So if you are a mason, you need to you have the least, the shortest length that you need to have should be 36 feet. Because if you do this length, if you go to the market, let's take for example, if you have this length 36, you have 36 feet. If you go to the market and get 4-foot stone, how many will you buy? Because we have to avoid wastage here. You will buy how many? This one goes here, 9. So if you are to buy 4-foot stone, you will buy 9 of them. What if you miss 4-foot stone, you get 6? How many will you buy? You will buy 6 stones. 6 stones will fit here exactly without wastage. What if you get 39 of them? I mean, you get 9-foot stone. How many stones will you buy? You will buy only 4 stones. So if you're doing the measurements, you need to do, if not 36, you can get 72. I can get 72 length. I can measure 72 length. 72 length, the 4-foot stone will fit there without wastage. 6, the same. 9, the same. Imagine, if you tell your learner this one, he will now know whenever he passes maybe where there is construction going on, he or she will be having an idea. Oh yes, if I'm to do this, I'll use this concept. How else can you apply the knowledge of LCM? During celebrations, we decorate our venues, our place of meetings. We use flowers, we use ribbons, we use lights, we use a number of things. So I want us to see how some light engineers use the concept of LCM to make their lights light in a beautiful manner. For example, if you are to use 3 types of lights or different colors, you have maybe you have green light. You also have red. Yes, you can also have blue, right? If green lights after, it lights after 4 seconds. Red lights after 5 seconds. Then, this should be blue. This should be blue. Blue lights after 6 seconds. Blue lights after 6 seconds. Now, if we can apply the knowledge of LCM here. Let's get the LCM of 4, 5, and 6, the seconds. So we have 4, 5, 6. So the first prime factorial can have 2, goes here 2, 5, 3. 2, 1, 5, 3. 3, 1, 5, 1. 5, 1, 1, 1. Our LCM is 2 by 2 by 3 by 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60. And this is 60 seconds, which is also the same as 1 minute. So let's see. If you want to use this concept here, you can set your lightings. Green will, let's say they start at the same time, maybe at 8:00 a.m. You set it like that. So after 4 seconds, green will light. After 5, red will light. After 6 seconds, blue will light. Then they will go in that interval, but after 60 seconds or after 1 minute, imagine all of them at once. Then starts again. For after 4 seconds, after 5 seconds, after 6 seconds, like that, like that. After another 1 minute, all of them. The pattern will continue and continue. So imagine, look at that. Those are two areas where we can apply the concept of least common multiples. Next time, I'll bring another concept. Thank you very much. Continue watching Mwalimu John on the YouTube at Mwalimu John 001. TikTok, Mwalimu John. Facebook, Mwalimu John. Instagram, Mwalimu John. Thank you for watching and following. Bye.